To add a course membership group, click on Contacts on the top navigation menu. Inside of the Contacts menu, under Members, click on Add Group. Inside of the Add Member Group window, type in a name for the new membership group. And then click Submit. The new membership group will then be created for course members. To apply the course membership group to your course pages, click on Builder to access your course pages. Then click on the Settings icon next to the course page, and then click on Show Settings. Under Page Access, click the Choose Member Groups button. Inside of the Choose Member Groups window, select the circle next to the course membership group. Then click Confirm, and then click Save. When visitors sign up as course members, their details will be displayed in your website member list inside of the membership group.